Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook delicious, healthy, aromatic, nutritious, easy, economical, quick, instant and flavorful eggplant potato. Eggplant 500 grams, potatoes 150 grams, heat up quarter cup oil. Fry one medium-sized chopped onion on medium flame. Fry onion till transparent. Add one chopped green chili. Add roughly chopped tomatoes 150 grams. Fry for 1 minute on medium flame. Add black peppercorns 8, black cardamom 1, salt 1 pinch, turmeric powder 1 pinch, black pepper powder 1 pinch, allspice powder quarter teaspoon. Fry for 1 minute on medium flame. Add vegetables. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Set the flame on low and cover with lid. Let it cook for 5 minutes. The vegetable will be ready and get soft and tender in steam and its own juices. If you find no liquid, you can add quarter cup of warm water or stock. As vegetable becomes soft and tender, turn off the flame. Delicious, aromatic, nutritious, healthy and flavorful vegetable is ready. Garnish and serve the way you like. Enjoy and share with your family, friends and people around you. We hope you will give it a try. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.